Good morning class 9. Welcome back in commercial studies class. Today we will start the 10th chapter, that is marketing and sales. In this chapter we will understand that what is marketing and sales and its functions. Okay, we know that business enterprises, their main objective is to earn profit. किसी भी business enterprise का क्या main objective होता है? To earn profit earn करना, right? So basically business enterprises is classified into different departments. जो भी business enterprises होते हैं that is classified into different departments. ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ एक ही activities हो रही है उसमें. There are different departments in that. Okay, so basically first department, सारे departments, all the departments are doing their work. सब departments अपना काम करते हैं, right? For example, in our body also we have eyes, hands, okay, ears. So all these are just like a department, okay, and all these organs are performing their own job. वो सब अपना काम, आँख देख रही है, okay, the ears we can hear with our ears, hands they are doing work. So all these are just like the departments. ये सब क्या है? They are working as a department. So in the same way, the business enterprises is divided into different departments. Marketing and sales department, finance and accounting department, human resource department, production or work department, purchasing and store department, and the last general administration and legal department. So in this chapter we will understand about marketing and sales department. इस chapter में हम marketing और sales department के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. So let's understand that what is the meaning of marketing, right? Basically goods and services are produced to satisfy human wants. हम सबको पता है कि जो goods and services they are produced to satisfy human wants को satisfy करने के लिए, right? And their ultimate objective of the all business activities is to satisfy human wants. उनका ultimate objective क्या होता है? To satisfy human wants. Human wants को satisfy करना, right? किसी भी business enterprises का. So then only they will earn the profit. तभी उनको profit मिलेगा. Okay. So in this process they want to satisfy the human or the customers, consumer in the market. For that the goods and services are designed, produced, priced, distributed. All these activities are done. ये सारी एक्टिविटी प्राइसिंग की जाती है, पैकेजिंग की जाती है, देन डिज़ाइनिंग की जाती है, एंड देन दे आर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड टू द अल्टीमेट कंज्यूमर और कस्टमर्स, राइट? सो ऑल दीज फंक्शन विच आर देयर दैट इज नोन एज मार्केटिंग. ये सारी किसमें इंक्लूडेड है? मार्केटिंग में. क्लियर? नाउ बेसिकली मार्केटिंग इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम द वर्ड मार्केट. मार्केट वर्ड से ये मार्केटिंग derive हुआ है. Now what is market? Market is not only the place to just go and you are purchasing something. No, it is not only the place. Market means person or individuals who are in close business relations and carry on transactions in any commodity or services. Means marketing includes all those persons, individuals, okay, those who are in a close contact with each other for purchasing and selling of goods and services. Okay, those who are dealing with goods and services to earn profit, right? So वो सारे क्या हो गए? मार्केट. जैसे Flipkart is also a market platform, right? Amazon is also a market platform. Okay, because we are doing buying and selling of goods and services. So transaction means dealing, जो भी हो रहा है. Okay, clear? So this is market. Or in other words we can say that market is a total environment of all buyers and sellers who come together, okay, those who interact together, those who interact with each other so that the prices of the same goods tend to be equalized easily and quickly. So it is a market is a total environment of all buyers and sellers who come together for buying and selling of goods and services. Clear? This is market. Okay, you can make your notes in this way also. Write the terms in your notebook. It will be easy for you. Whenever you will just see that term, then you can recall, right? So इस तरह से भी कर सकते हैं. Now let's understand that what is marketing. Meaning of marketing. Marketing is the process of discovering and translating. Marketing is the process of discovering and translating human wants into products and services, and then in turn making it possible for more and more people to enjoy more and more of these products and services. So basically marketing is a process, okay, or we can say that marketing is a total system, एक system भी है. Marketing is a process or a total system of discovering, okay, discover करना नई नई चीजें, and translating, and then after discovering to translate that thing in another product, okay, and according to the human wants, मतलब उसको discover करना, कोई चीज़ हमने discover की, right, जैसे अब क्या, now the mask, ओके, मास्क इज इन द डिमांड. अभी क्या मार्केट में मास्क की बहुत डिमांड है. अब देखो कैसे कैसे डिस्कवरीज हो रही हैं, बहुत स्टाइलिश मास्क आ रहे हैं, उनके फैब्रिक्स डिफरेंट डिफरेंट है. नाउ दिस मैन्युफैक्चरर, द प्रोड्यूसर, द बिजनेस एंटरप्राइजेज, दे आर ट्राइंग टू डिस्कवर समथिंग न्यू इन दिस मास्क. नया कुछ करना चाहते हैं, नया खरीदना चाहते हैं, नया लाना चाहते हैं, ओके, एंड देन दैट डिस्कवरी विल बी ट्रांसलेटेड अकॉर्डिंग टू द ह्यूमन वांट्स. ह्यूमन वांट्स के अकॉर्डिंग उसको क्या किया जाता है, ट्रांसलेट किया जाता है, कन्वर्ट किया जाता है, सो दैट इट शुड बी अवेलेबल टू द कंज्यूमर्स. ठीक है, उनकी रिक्वायरमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग ये चीज़ें उनको अवेलेबल हो सके into the products and services, then in turn making it possible for more and more possible to enjoy more and more of these products and services, right? So this is your marketing. According to William Stanton, he said that marketing is a total system of interacting business activities designed to plan, price, promote and distribute wants, satisfying products and services to present and potential customers. So this is all about the marketing, right? So this is William Stanton. We have seen the definition of marketing according to William Stanton and the meaning of marketing, right? So I hope that this meaning of marketing is clear to you, okay? So basically जो modern marketing approach है, they focus on selling satisfaction rather than selling on a product. जो अभी new modern marketing approach चल रहा है, basically your modern marketing approach, it focus on selling satisfaction, यानी to satisfy the customers, then only that product is useful. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं है कि बस हमें प्रोडक्ट बेच देना पड़ेगा. नो, इन दिस मॉडर्न मार्केटिंग, अकॉर्डिंग टू मॉडर्न मार्केटिंग, वी हैव टू सेटिस्फाई द कस्टमर्स. हमें कस्टमर्स को क्या करना है, सेटिस्फाई करना है, राइट? तो सेलिंग सेटिस्फैक्शन, ये है इसका अप्रोच. मॉडर्न मार्केटिंग का अप्रोच क्या है, सेलिंग सेटिस्फैक्शन. क्लियर? ओके, नाउ अंडरस्टैंड द फंक्शंस ऑफ मार्केटिंग. अंडरस्टैंड द फंक्शंस ऑफ marketing and sales department, right? The first function is your marketing research, right? Second is product planning and development. Third is pricing. Fourth is promotion. Fifth is selling, and sixth one is distribution, right? So this is all about, this is the functions of marketing and sales department. Let's understand about marketing research. The first function of your marketing and sales department. It is a systematic, marketing research is a systematic and scientific process of investigating into all aspects of marketing, right? नाम से ही पता चल रहा है, marketing research. Two words are there, marketing plus research. When you search something again and again, that is research, okay? So जब मार्केटिंग के हर एस्पेक्ट्स पे रिसर्च की जाती है, उसकी स्टडी की जाती है, एनालाइज किया जाता है, that is means your 5W and 1H, right? What, where, how, okay, whom. So all these aspects, इन सब पे जब काम होता है, तो that is marketing research. It includes your collection, analysis and interpretation of data. First you need to collect. For example, if I want to sell any product, मैं कोई product sell करना चाहती हूँ, तो first I will search the market, right? I will collect the information कि वहाँ की क्या डिमांड है, कैसी डिमांड है, which type of customers are there, okay? How much product they want, right? Or which type of goods and services they want, right? So all these are collected. ठीक, collection हो गया. Then analysis. After that I will try to analyze कि analyze करूँगी क्या सही है, कितना सही है, right? वेयर आर द कंज्यूमर लोकेटेड, कहाँ पे लोकेटेड है, कैसे है, क्या चीज़ है. सो आई विल एनालाइज ऑल दीज एस्पेक्ट्स एंड देन आफ्टर दैट इंटरप्रिटेशन एंड देन आई विल इंटरप्रिटेट. फिर मैं लास्ट में क्या करूँगी, इंटरप्रिटेट करूँगी. ठीक है, कि हाउ मेनी मीन्स हाउ मेनी न्यू कस्टमर्स कैन वी क्रिएट, और भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें कि क्या मैं अगर वहाँ पे प्रोडक्ट ले जाती हूँ, लोगों को देती हूँ, क्या मेरी सेलिंग ज़्यादा होगी. अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट आई विल जस्ट मेक अ रिजल्ट और एक इंटरप्रिटेशन क्रिएट कर देते हैं, राइट. So that this collection, analysis and interpretation, these three things are there in this marketing research. Clear? What type of goods and services are wanted by the consumer, at what time, in what quantity, what price are willing consumers are willing to pay. So all these aspects is known as your marketing research. जब भी हम कहीं पे भी फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम कहीं नई जगह जाते हैं तो फिर वी डू द रिसर्च, हम रिसर्च करते हैं. ठीक है, नए स्कूल में गए और या नए स्टेट में गए, कहीं पे भी फॉर एग्जांपल अगर हमें घूमना है, सो वी आर प्लानिंग कि हमें घूमना है, कहीं घूमने जाना है. सो व्हाट वी विल डू द रिसर्च. हम रिसर्च करेंगे कहाँ जाना है, कैसे जाना है, क्या क्या वहाँ पे क्या कैसी चीज़ें चाहिए, वहाँ पे क्या लोकेशन है, हमें ट्रैवलिंग के लिए क्या क्या यूज़ करना है. सो ऑल दीज आर द रिसर्च. क्लियर? Next is your product planning and development. Now in this product planning, here by name itself it is saying that when we plan about the product, जब हम product के बारे में plan करते हैं, उसको develop करने की सोचते हैं, that comes under your product planning and development. For example, ideas of new product. हम new product की idea कि नहीं ऐसे होना चाहिए, right? So कुछ नया ideas आते हैं, right? And then analysis and screening ideas. After that, when the ideas come, then we analyze and screen की चेक करते हैं कितना सही है, कितना नहीं है, क्या प्रैक्टिकल है, क्या ये प्रोडक्ट लोग पसंद करेंगे या नहीं पसंद करेंगे. सो ऑल दीज एस्पेक्ट, दैट इज एनालिसिस एंड स्क्रीनिंग. देन टेस्ट मार्केटिंग एंड आफ्टर दैट वी जस्ट डू द एक छोटे से टेस्ट करते हैं, चेक करते हैं कि क्या कैसा प्रोडक्ट लोग पसंद करेंगे या नहीं करेंगे. ओके, सो एवरीथिंग इज इंक्लूडेड इन दिस योर प्रोडक्ट प्लानिंग एंड डेवलपमेंट. नाउ फिजिकल प्रोडक्ट मीन्स उसको मैन्युफैक्चर करना, प्रोड्यूस करना है, ऑल दीज आर कंसर्न विद द प्रोडक्शन डिपार्टमेंट. ये कौन करता है? प्रोडक्शन डिपार्टमेंट. एंड उसकी ब्रांडिंग करना, लेबलिंग करना, राइट, फिर पैकेजिंग करना, ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर अंडर द मार्केटिंग डिपार्टमेंट. ये सब कौन करता है? मार्केटिंग डिपार्टमेंट. क्लियर? सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द प्रोडक्ट प्लानिंग एंड योर डेवलपमेंट रिलेटेड टू द प्रोडक्ट. जब प्रोडक्ट से रिलेटेड काम होता है एंड द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट, दैट इज नोन एज प्रोडक्ट प्लानिंग and your development. Clear? Next is pricing. It's a very important function of marketing. Okay, basically when we go into the market, first what we see the price. क्या कहते हैं? price कितनी है इसकी, right? So what is that? So means pricing is a very important element of any marketing. किसी भी marketing का सबसे important element और सबसे important aspect अगर कुछ है तो that is your pricing. वो pricing है, right? So price of product means in this they decide that what should be the price of the product. Okay, for example, according to the location, according to the customers, they decide the price. तो ये भी कौन करता है? Basically marketing and sales department. They decide the price of the product. Is any discount is to be given or not? Okay, so all these is known as a pricing. ये क्या है? Pricing. Okay, so and we know that the sound pricing policy, good अच्छी pricing policy क्या होती है? It attracts the customer. अगर आपके products की price अच्छी है, okay, reasonable है, then the customer will automatically get attracted towards your product. वो automatically आपके products की तरफ attract हो जाएंगे. So assigned pricing policies attracts the customer, right? Next, promotion. Okay, it is the process of informing the prospective buyers about goods and services and stimulating them to purchase, right? Promotion. Now here, after deciding the price of the particular product, promotion is there. Okay, next function of marketing and sales department is to promote the product so that the customers can know. Okay, and we can create, the manufacturer can create the knowledge about the products and services into the market. ठीक है, वो create कर सके, promotion के through ही ये possible है. ऐसे ही हमने produce कर दिया, रखा हुआ, it is there in the godown, now there is no promotion, कोई promotion ही नहीं है, then how the people will know? कैसे लोगों को पता चलेगा कि yes this product is there or not? Not possible. So for that we need advertisements, sales promotion, publicity. So all these are some tools through which we can do the promotion of the particular goods and services, so that we can create this interest and we can stimulate the customer to buy that particular products and services. Clear? Next, selling, right? Now everything is done, okay? Pricing, promotion, product is ready, prepared. Now, if the manufacturer will not sell the product, then it's worthless. Everything is worthless, right? सब कुछ हो किस लिए रहा है? To satisfy the customers. और customer कब satisfy होगा? जब manufacturer या seller उसको product sell करेगा. So selling is the heart of marketing. Okay? So selling is the heart of marketing. ये क्या है? Marketing का heart, दिल है, right? Okay? Because the purpose of anything is to sell the goods and services. Goods and services को sell करना ही ultimate objective of any department or any business enterprises, right? Next, last, distribution, right? Now the distribution means choice of channel of distribution. In this marketing and sales department, they decide that which type of choice of distribution channel means deciding whether the firm will directly sell its product to the customer or they will involve the middleman. क्या वो middleman को involve करेंगे या directly they will sell the product to the customers. So this is distribution. कौन सा channel use करेंगे, right? किस through which means they will sell their product. कैसे अपने products को sell करेंगे, okay? So this is distribution. So this is all about the functions of marketing and sales department. Okay, marketing research, product planning and development, pricing, promotion, selling and distribution. Okay, so here this chapter marketing and sales is over. In the next video we will start the new chapter. Thank you so much for watching this video.